Micah chapter 1 begins with a strong warning of God's judgment upon Samaria and Jerusalem due to their sins, symbolized by the idolatry and injustice of Omri and Ahab's reigns. Micah foretells the destruction of these cities, vividly describing the mountains melting and the land trembling, emphasizing the gravity of God's justice against sin. This shows God's holiness and his unwillingness to ignore iniquity. Yet, God's heart remains for his people's return and repentance. Micah's prophecy calls for a life of repentance and steadfast faithfulness to God's righteous ways. Micah chapter 2 strongly rebukes the wealthy for oppressing the poor and fulfilling their greed through acts of injustice. These individuals plan evil at night and carry it out in the morning, using their power to exploit others. God declares judgment upon them, warning that their ill-gotten gains will become worthless. Furthermore, false prophets are condemned for speaking pleasing words instead of proclaiming God's truth, yet they too cannot escape God's judgment. Despite this, God promises restoration. Like a shepherd gathering his flock, he will regather Israel, demonstrating his compassionate and merciful heart. Micah chapter 3 delivers a powerful rebuke to corrupt leaders and false prophets. Instead of pursuing justice and fairness, they oppressed the people and sought personal gain. Micah warns that such injustice will lead to Jerusalem's destruction, emphasizing the inevitability of God's righteous judgment. However, within this warning lies God's heart for restoration. He desires to see justice prevail and his people turn back to righteousness. God's ultimate will is not only to judge wickedness, but to lead his people toward living in true justice and integrity. Micah chapter 4 reveals a vision of God's peace and justice, fully restored in Zion. The prophecy promises that God's mountain will be exalted, drawing all nations to follow his ways. It also foresees a time when conflict and war will cease, symbolized by weapons being turned into farming tools, representing the coming of God's peaceful kingdom. God's plan is to unite all nations under his love and justice, bringing restoration and salvation. This prophecy profoundly conveys God's message of love and eternal peace for humanity. Micah chapter 5 prophesies the birth of the Messiah in Bethlehem, fulfilled in the New Testament through Jesus Christ. The shepherd born in this humble town will lead Israel with strength and justice, bringing lasting peace and security. God calls his people to trust solely in him, rejecting idols and reliance on military power. This reflects his sovereign authority and steadfast love, emphasizing his eternal and unchanging plan of salvation for his people. Micah chapter 6 emphasizes God's requirement for justice, mercy, and humility, recalling his deliverance of Israel from Egypt. God reminds them that rituals and sacrifices are insufficient without genuine acts of love and justice. These values are central to maintaining a proper relationship with him. God rebukes injustice and warns that those who ignore his righteousness will face judgment. This message invites us today to reflect on the essence of true faith and live a life of walking humbly with God. Micah chapter 7 mourns Israel's sin and judgment, while exalting God's mercy and compassion. Despite Judah's corruption, Micah highlights the importance of repentance and God's faithfulness, offering hope for ultimate restoration. God forgives sins and delights in mercy, never abandoning his people. This recalls the Exodus as a reminder of God's steadfast salvation. Today, it teaches us the significance of returning to God and trusting in his unchanging grace.